Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm here to show you how you can make money online anywhere in the world. Passive income. With this website I'm going to be showing you, you're going to make more than $100,000 in a month, depending on how you do it or and everything. So if you think this video is so important and you like it, you can just subscribe to get more of everything. And I'm going to be giving you tips on everything, so you need to stay on the video till the end so that you can get tips I'm going to give you for more sales and more money. So with this website I'm going to show you, you can make money anywhere with your PC or your phone, anywhere in the world, and this thing is worldwide, so worldwide. So let's get started. Yeah, the first website I'm going to show you is Redbubble. This website is a very good website if you think you are very creative and you can design very well. This website is where you can buy and sell you and this, if you want to make money, you're going to choose the selling part. So you're going to design some stickers or design, and this design you're going to be pasting it on clothes. So the website will set them for you, like all these designs, they're going to be pasted on clothes. All these designs, they're going to be pasted on clothes. So after you pasting all these things on clothes and on mugs, they're going to be giving you many products for you to fit everything on, and everything must be perfectly well, and you must be very creative so that people can get attracted to your store. So after designing all these things, the website, you don't need to the only thing you need is just to promote. The website is going to do, if anybody want to buy your design or your clothes, is the website, is Redbubble that is going to handle everything, not you. So they are going to paste it quickly when somebody wants it or purchases it. They are going to paste it on the clothes, and everything will be okay for delivery. So this is where your money comes in. When you sell this kind of sticker and somebody purchases this, the person is going to get this amount. But if it's on clothes like all these ones, the person is going to get part of this $32.33. So you're going to get more money with more purchase, and they're going to be giving you many things to do. So if you want more of this Redbubble, you want to know more about Redbubble, you're going to see my video that I created earlier. You're going to see it up there, so you can just click on it and check everything when we're done with this video. So Redbubble is very good. Here you're just going to add some work right here. Then I'm just going to show you everything. See, then you upload something. Maybe I can just upload anything. Maybe I can just upload this. Actually, like my design, I just downloaded this. So you can just design some things with Canva or PicMonkey, or you can just do a typography or all this kind of stuff, and everything will be okay. Then you just paste it on the clothes and everything. Very simple and creative. You can make maybe 15 or 12 designs in a week or 2 weeks. That's great, so that you can just leave it. Then the more you put your designs, the more sales you see, and the more your traffic is going to go up. So I don't know why. So let me just put this design I did. I think this one will be okay. Let me just use this. So this thing is just going to load. Here you're going to put your title right here, the tags. This I'm going to show you everything on the net on my video, the other video I did earlier. So you're going to know how to put the tags, and they're going to give you 50 maximum of 50 tags to put there. So you must put comma after everything, and you must put the description right here. Fit everything in. After the stuff is let's wait for the stuff to load finish. So this, these are the products I'm going to be giving you, and you must enable more of the products and you want. So I'm just showing you through everything, and you're going to choose the ones your picture or your design falls into. So you're going to pick it. This is the collection which you are going to do by yourself. And all these ones. So I'm going to show you everything. You are going to see everything in my video I posted earlier. So this is the design, and if you like all my designs, you can just check my description right down below. You're going to see my link, and you can purchase more of this product. It's actually nice. So right here I'm going, this is all about Redbubble, and if you want, they pay through PayPal and other payment, but I prefer PayPal. Also they can do um bank transfer. Yes, they can do bank service. So all this Redbubble is very good website for you to earn money during this lockdown. So right here I'm going to be showing you the second one, which is Teespring. Teespring is just somehow, because this one also you need to be creative, you need to know everything. You don't need too much education or too much creativity on this one. You can just type something, maybe I like you can just type something like that, and then voila, you get some sales. Let me just show you how it does that. So it's just like Redbubble, you design on clothes, but they have different settings. So instead of using, you can use both Redbubble and Teespring together if you want more sales or something. You can just put your product in the product you put on Redbubble, you can just put it on Teespring also. So these are the things they're going to give you, but I can just go ahead and choose maybe clothes. Maybe I'm going to choose this. So maybe I'm going to choose, let me choose this. So they are putting the cost right here. See, this one is the product is $13.17, and this one is 12.32. This one is 14.11. So I'm going to choose this. I think this. So you're going to design that kind of product. You see, sell, buy and sell. It's just like Redbubble where you buy or sell. This one is design and buy for myself. And this one is list my design online for free and make money. I'm going to make money like that. So I'm going to like, maybe if you want to paste some things on the t-shirt, you can press this one and then edit, but I'm going to show you the one I told you about. That maybe you can just type, I no, let me use no, just type that. So you move it right to the front. Yeah, so you can change the font right here. It will be so okay. So I'm going to change the font. Maybe I'm going to use this. Then I'm going to change the color also. Maybe I'm going to use this. Yeah, so this is kind of sweet right here. So if you don't want this kind of font, maybe you want it to be smaller, then you can just choose. Maybe choose. Let me check that one. I think this one is okay. So if you want to edit the back also, you can just choose this back, then it's going to show the back. You can edit, you put something right there. So yeah, you're going to choose the color you want. Maybe you want white and you want people to see black also. If they want to purchase the black color also, the black color of the cloth, it's not the writing on it. So I can just go ahead and choose black. Yeah, right here, maybe blue, and all this with this one also, because it's fit this stuff. So I'm gonna add it like that. So yeah, you're gonna fix your profit. See, I get 9.67 versus 21.99. So you can just bring it to 20, maybe instead of 20, you can just put it to 22 point maybe 10. Depends on you. Depends on you and how you want. Maybe the lesser the price, maybe people can buy it, or the higher the price, So it depends. Then you click continue and start doing some things on it, and start designing, editing, and enabling some things. So if you want more about Teespring, you want to know more about Teespring, then you can just subscribe on my channel, and you can click on the bell so that you can see the video, because I'm going to do something like this next time on my video. So you can check back on my video and you will see everything you need to know about Teespring, and I'm going to show you major tips so that you can have more sales every day, every month on Teespring. So that's all about Teespring. Very, very interesting website for everyone. So yeah, next thing I'm going to be showing you is an affiliate marketing, which is Amazon affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing these days is growing very high, and very okay for most people right now. So you can get money anywhere, anytime with affiliate marketing. So the major one right now is Amazon affiliate marketing. So right now I'm going to be showing you maybe how to do with the Amazon affiliate marketing, everything about Amazon affiliate marketing. So now Amazon, normally Amazon is an online shopping where you purchase some products. So they decided to bring out Amazon Associate, where people advertise their product. So right here, if you advertise your product, you're going to get maybe 10 or 15% of their of the price you advertised. So there's something about Amazon right now, like if somebody clicks on your link, like the link of the product, and didn't buy your product, but he went to another product and buy another product apart from the product you are advertising, you are going to get commission out of that one also. So that's very okay for Amazon right now. So you can make money even without people purchasing your product, but through your link they are purchasing another product. So with Amazon affiliate marketing, you are going to make a lot of money. So you can advertise your product by using Pinterest, your website. Maybe you are into blogging, you can use your website, just maybe type some things about the product, then you put some link on there to get the product. Or you can just use your social media like Twitter, Instagram, now that okay for affiliate marketing. YouTube, like how I'm doing right now, and all the social media like Twitter, Facebook. Facebook is okay. So you can use all this kind of stuff to advertise your product so that people can get it. So yeah, if I want to get the link of it, maybe I want to advertise maybe advertise laptop. So I will just set it right there. Then it's gonna bring all the laptops available like this, all these ones. So if I want to get the link right here. But I'm gonna show you this one. So I'm gonna get the link right. Let me show you how to get this one. So my affiliate link is right. See my affiliate ID. This is it right there. So you can get, so people can, you can know that your affiliate, you need to check it if you're doing all this kind of stuff, so that you'll be sure that your affiliate link is right there and not just putting one kind of link on your social media or where you're promoting the stuff. So this is the laptop and this is the price. See the price right here. So if anybody buys this product with my link, if anybody buys the product, then I'm going to get this my link. If I just show you, I'm going to show you how you can get the link right here. See, you just copy the link address. So if anybody get another product apart from this, if somebody just go down, maybe get this other laptop or this ones, I'm gonna get even more profit with this one. If the other one was, I think, 349.99 dollars. So if somebody get this one instead of that one, I'm going to get even more out of this. Maybe if I get maybe 49, if I get 49 there or $50 there, I'm going to get maybe 60 or 7 or $80 here. So that's how it works. That's everything about affiliate marketing. So if you want another affiliate, maybe you can go check ClickBank. ClickBank is also a very good affiliate marketing website for everyone. It's going rapidly these days, and if you want to get another affiliate market, and maybe you don't want all these kind of niche, you want to go to maybe health niche, maybe you are into fitness or physical well-being, then you can check Nutri Profit or Market Health. That website is very, very good. So that's all for passive income, how to make money passively online. That's all for now. So if you like this video, you can just subscribe for more, and you can like this. So if you have any question, you can put it on the comment section so I can answer you everything you need to know about passive income. Thank you very much.